Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. How y'all been? Y'all been all right? It's been a while, you know what I mean? I'm back at it though. And first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for messing with me. I didn't even know I was gonna vlog, you know what I mean? I didn't know I was gonna become a food vlogger, and it just kept steamrolling. So I appreciate you guys for the kind words, for the feedback, and you know, for the hate, and for lots of love. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing, and y'all keep me motivated, man. But today it's Tuesday here, and today we're gonna be eating tacos, right? There's this taco place in South Philadelphia, right on like 4th and Washington. Now, if you're from the area, Washington Avenue has some of the best pho, right? But there's a strip right next to a soccer field and basketball court, and there's this taco truck with the Mexican colors, you know? But I've always seen it. Every time I drive up and down Washington Avenue, I see this taco place, but I never actually got out to go try tacos. Today is the day, right? So I can't wait. I'm actually pretty excited. I don't know if you guys can hear the generator, but I'm gonna order a bunch of tacos. I'm gonna try it out, and yo, I'm mad excited. This place is called Taco Loco. All right, let's go check it out. They got some good selections here, y'all. So as you can see, this taco truck right next to a soccer field, right? Genius marketing. I can see why they've been around for a long time. They're right next to a soccer field and they sell tacos. How you doing, man? What do you recommend here? The steak is good? Okay. Bro, you want to eat too?
I just want soda, bro.
Soda? Okay.
I want that
Alright, so you said the steak is good here. So can I try a steak? You guys got beef tongue too?
Yeah.
Let me get a beef tongue. Marinated pork.
You want the steak too?
What was that?
Steak?
Yeah. I want a steak.
Okay.
I want a beef tongue.
I don't want that one too, bro. I get a chorizo.
A chorizo? No chorizo.
I get a fatty beef. Okay.
One fatty beef.
A pineapple soda.
Okay. How many I got so far? Four? Alright. What else you recommend? Let's try the tripe. We're gonna do tripe. So you got the fatty beef with sausage.
Yeah.
Let's do that too. What else do you recommend? Did I get everything good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Okay, should I get more? You tell me. I didn't eat dinner yet. This is my first time trying this. I always go get food over there, and I drive past all my life, but I never actually had your tacos. But I want to make sure that I got everything that you're saying is good. I think 6 should be good for now, right? Where can we eat? Can we eat anywhere? We're gonna eat right outside. We're gonna eat it here. Yo, like, I'm not even, damn, PPA got somebody too. Oh my God. I got spoiled when I went to San Diego, I believe 2 years ago, right? And I must say, like, prior to that, the only Mexican food that I had was like on the East Coast. And I don't have any Mexican friends to actually show me around on where to get the best tacos. So when we went to San Diego, I went to Tacos El Gordo. I can't even say it. Tacos, I'm trying to put an accent. Tacos El Gordo, right? In San Diego, my God, it was the best tacos that I ever had in my life. Actually, all the tacos that I had on the West Coast was just like several notches above what I ever had here. And over here, for some reason, like, you know, I go to like Don Pablo's, right? And it's more like a fast food chain, but it's not the most authentic. So when I get my tacos, it's actually served on a flour tortilla and not corn tortilla. We don't know anything about corn tortilla here. And when I went on the West Coast, I got it on the corn tortilla double wrapped. Welcome to Philly. I got it in the corn tortilla double wrapped with the beef tongue, you know what I mean? Like with all the goodness in it. Like the way they made it at Tacos El Gordo was just like something you have to experience. they had like 6 lines, and all lines are like packed throughout the door. So West Coast, you guys are so lucky, you guys are so spoiled that you're able to have great tacos on a daily basis. Like I said, man, they gotta be good if they've been open, you know, this entire time. So I mean, we'll see. You know, even if I like supporting small businesses regardless, you know what I mean? So if I can help bring small businesses traffic, hey man, I did my job, and we're gonna keep them moving, you know what I mean? Because everybody need a little bit of help. I mean, I'm a small business too. So when y'all subscribe to my channel, when y'all like my videos and stuff, y'all helping a brother out. So all I'm doing, I'm just paying it forward. Super excited right now. So we got 6 tacos, and I mean, homeboy hooked it up, so I appreciate him. I thank him so much, because he said he was about to close, but you know, he looked out for us. And he says there's 2 sauces here, right? You have the green sauce, and he's saying this is super spicy. And y'all know me, I like super spicy, and I can't wait to try this out. I don't know which one to try this out on first, but I'm gonna put it on all of them, okay? You know, I gotta respect the sauce, you know? I don't wanna be macho man, put a whole bunch and ruin the meal, right? But we're gonna eat it right here. We're gonna eat it right here. Green is sauce, and he's saying this one's like super spicy.
I get the green one.
It don't get no better than this though, you know? Yeah, respect the sauce, man.
Thanks, my boss.
You already.
Thank you for the compliments. Are you away?
Are you away? All good, chud. So I'm gonna do the super spicy with the green sauce too. You know which one you just got right there?
I got the.
Oh my God, this feels so good. This is double wrapped. You see that? Double wrap. I think this is pork. This is spicy pork right here. And it feels good, nice and hot. I think everything here is made to order. They got the, man, they got the onions in there, it's fresh. Oh, this is hot though. Let's try it out.
Fresh, man.
Oh, it's good. And the radish too. That's how you know you had an authentic Mexican place, when they got the radish. Dang it. Why did I wait so long? I didn't taste that hot sauce yet, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I put more hot sauce. That's what I'm talking about.
It's really, it's fresh, man. Crispy, you got the radish, like you say, authentic Mexican, you know what I mean?
It's mad fresh. Got the lime, the radish. He said the sauce is hot. The sauce is lightweight, B. It's delicious though. Thumbs up.
Not to a Campbell.
Now I know. 6 tacos, 2 sodas, $20. Well, he hooked it up to him. You can't go wrong with the pork. Oh, damn it. I think this is the I think it's the fatty beef. Just put some more of that hot sauce on here. Let's take another big bite right here. This got work too. I think it's the steak. Fatty steak, I think. I'm making a whole mess over here. Is your favorite place right here?
Yeah, this one of them.
What's your what do you normally get?
Spot is 7th and Reed. Nice spot. 7th and Reed.
What do you normally get from here?
I just get the carne asada, the steak taco.
I hear you. I had to try everything today.
Yeah. It's all good.
Done?
Well, bro.
Steak is hitting. I didn't really talk much either. There's a lot of tacos, man. Honestly, I'm just going through it right now. I don't even know what taco I'm eating. It just tastes too damn good. This is the tripe. This is the beef tripe. You can taste it. Dang it. I love it. Yo, the tripe is delicious.
Oh yeah, I like it too.
So far, the tripe is my favorite. Tripe is good, bro.
I thought you were gonna say that.
I don't know about that.
The tripe is good.
How about the beef tongue?
What's that?
Beef tongue is good too.
No, I'm just.
Yo, the tripe is made perfect.
No, chorizo's good too. The sausage, chorizo is real good. I'll try it next time. Okay.
So far, I think the tripe is my favorite.
What's your favorite so far?
The tripe.
The tripe? Oh wow, so I really gotta try it then, huh? Why not?
The way you made it is nice and crispy. I like it like that. It's good.
Okay.
And it's still got the flavor in there too.
I'll be back. Thank you. All right.
Yeah, my culture, we eat tripe and we eat tongue too. Yeah. So the tripe so far is good. I got the pork so far. I think I got the steak and then the tripe. So far, the tripe is my favorite. The beef tongue is delicious, man. Everyone needs to try beef tongue. So far, I have the pork, the steak, the tripe. That's my favorite.
You all 6?
What's that?
Are you all 6?
He had one. I'm gonna eat 5 myself. The sauce is good too. It's not that hot. It's not that hot. I love spicy. So this is the beef tongue next. Oh yeah. That beef tongue is delicious. Tripe and beef tongue. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent job. The way he cooks it though is like, it's soft, but has a nice crispiness to it. Homemade?
Yeah.
Homemade hot sauce.
The radish is authentic.
It's good, Papi.
Good, good.
So far, my favorite, tripe and beef tongue. Everyone needs to come try the beef tongue and the tripe here. Don't do steak. That's too safe. That's too safe. You have to try the beef tongue and the tripe. All right, this one is the fatty beef with sausage, I believe. So going for the kill. This is the last one, and I'm full. But when the food is good, you can always keep eating, no matter what. Shout out to him. I gotta get his name though. We about to go in for the kill. This John is good. No, it's not good. It's excellent. This whole time I thought that you can only get good tacos in the West Coast. Nah, you can come get some great tacos here in Philly. Last bite, but do me a favor though, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Food's too good. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and come over here and get you some great ass tacos, man. Support local businesses. We're going for the win.